guys, welcome. My name is Macy. This is my first video on this channel and I'm going to be creating curly hair content, hairstyle tips, tutorials, and anything else you guys want to see. This video is going to consist of me styling my current curly hair routine from start to finish. I just washed my hair with Suave almond butter and Shea butter, shampoo conditioner, and I'm going to start by laying down my edges before styling. And I used the edge booster to get these results for my edges. Now I'm going to move on to the styling part. I start by re-wetting my hair. So I'm going to re-wet it. I like to style in really small sections to get the product all the way through. So, section like halfway through my ear, just go along that on each side. And I'm going to use a clip to just clip that up. I have these little sections. So I'm going to be using the Miche Gel Curl Defining Gel. I'm going to follow up with the Miche Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. Re-wet my hair. And then I'm going to detangle it if there's any knots. And then I'm going to start off with the gel. Just a little bit. I section my hair because I want the product to fully be distributed into every strand. It's just with the curl defining gel. I'm gonna top it off with just a little bit of the mousse because this mousse goes a long way. So just like that. Alright, apply this, and I'm debating if I want to just leave it as this as I'm raking it, or Denman Brush. I'm gonna go with the Denman Brush by styling it upwards, and sometimes I like to just finger coil some of the pieces that aren't as defined, I would say. I'm gonna repeat the same steps on this side. You can see the difference of not using the Denman brush and using it, but I think I'm gonna go with not using the Denman brush because I feel like my curls are a little bit more defined on this side rather than this side. So yeah, I'm not gonna do the Denman brush. I'm just going to style my hair as usual. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to section just above my ear, and then just above. I'm going to continue to do the same steps throughout this section. So the way I'm sectioning this part is I'm doing this side and move on to this side, and then I have a piece in the back. I get a lot of questions on how I style my hair without really seeing the back, because you may tend to not focus on the back because you can't see it. So I'm going to show you how I do the back piece. Just the same steps, but I just really like to focus on it. A lot of people with curls have that little like tough area in the back where it's like not as defined as the ones in the front, and that's mainly because you're really not focusing on that part of your hair. For the crown section, I style just the back, going backwards, and then I'll show you how I style the front part of my crown. styled my hair with it framing my face instead of it being like, usually my hair's like this in my face, but I wanted a different look, so I've been styling like this. I am going to air dry, and how I air dry is literally just air drying. No, I'm just kidding. I get a lot of questions on if I air dry or diffuse. I tend to air dry because I don't really like the way diffusing looks when I do my hair. So I air dry, and the way I air dry is I flip from like this. I'm gonna show you this, and I flip just to get that airflow throughout my curls instead of it being flat to my hair. When it's like 85% dry, I come back and I put it in a pineapple. I'll show you how I do the pineapple when it's 85% dry so that it stretches my curls instead of it being like so much shrinkage, because I tend to get a lot of shrinkage. So this is my hair like 80% because my roots are still just a little damp. So this is what I do when it's like 80%. The curls look defined. Like I have cast around this area, the back, a little bit. Not many people like cast and crunchiness, but I like it because that's how I know that the hairstyle will last me about like 4 to 5 days. So that's why I like it. So you're gonna need a silk scrunchie. You're gonna flip. I could feel it's still just a little damp, but it's okay because you're only gonna keep it like this for like 10 minutes. So you're gonna put it like almost at the top of your head. Well, basically like at the top of your head. Like this, and you're just gonna let it flop and let the back stretch. So I leave it like this for 10 minutes, and I take it out, and then I'm gonna air dry it just a little bit more, keep flipping it from side to side. So these are my final dry results. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me style my curly hair, and I hope you guys learned something from it and found it very helpful. Let me know down in the comments what other videos you guys would like to see, and I will be sure to make them. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!